Most exchanges demand your passport details before you even buy your first cryptocurrency. That's intimidating, and that's perfectly normal. But what if I told you that you can start trading anonymously in just 5 minutes? Today, I'll show you BINGX, a platform where you don't need Know Your Customer to get started. We'll break down how to deposit funds, launch the famous copy trading feature, and begin earning from crypto without unnecessary checks. Stay with me, and I'll show you exactly how BINGX makes this possible, and why this platform isn't just a choice, but a necessity in today's world. Let's go. So, BINGX. Founded in 2018, this exchange is the official partner of Chelsea Football Club, which immediately clears up any doubts about its reputation. But traders choose it for 3 other reasons. Freedom from Know Your Customer. This is the main trump card. You can deposit crypto, trade spot, and futures, and even copy professional traders' moves without identity verification. Copy Trading Leader. BINGX was built as a social trading platform from the ground up. It offers the widest selection of traders and the most transparent risk settings. Beginner-friendly interface. The UI is so intuitive it's impossible to get lost, yet under the hood you'll find powerful automation tools. Now, let's get practical. Here's how to properly integrate into this ecosystem. Step 1, registration and the right start. To not only create an account, but also unlock bonuses and exclusive community perks, there's one important step. You need to register through our partner link, which you'll find in the description below this video. So, click the link, enter your email or phone number, create a password, and you're in. But don't rush to trade. Head straight to the security section, profile icon next Security Center, and enable Google Authenticator. This isn't a suggestion, it's a rule. Without 2-factor authentication, your funds are easy prey for hackers. Step 2, verification, only if needed. Unlike other exchanges, here Know Your Customer is required only for 2 things. If you want to buy crypto via P2P with fiat, euro or dollars from your card, or if you need massive withdrawal limits. For everything else, you're free to trade anonymously. But if you decide to lift all limits and unlock full access, the process takes literally 5 minutes. Click the profile icon in the top right corner and select Identity Verification. Choose your country and select the type of document, passport, ID card or driver's license. Upload a clear photo of the document and take a quick selfie. The system will guide you on how to turn your head correctly. Submit the application M. Verification here is automatic. Usually, the verified status appears within minutes, after which the exchange's full capabilities are unlocked. Step 3. Funding your account the safe way. Your account is created, security is enabled. How do you deposit funds? First method, if you already own crypto. Click Assets, next Deposit, choose the coin, for example USDT, and the network, I recommend TRC20. Copy the address. Be extremely careful. A mistake in the network or address will result in irreversible loss of funds. Second method, P2P, buying directly with a bank card. But caution, despite the attractive rates, P2P isn't always safe. There's a lot of scam and a high risk of your card being blocked due to transactions with dirty money, since you don't know who's on the other side of the screen. Third method, the most reliable option, funding through our exchange service available in the trading chat, with a fair rate, fast and without unnecessary risks. This is the method we personally use, no experiments, no losses. Trading, spot and futures. Funds are on your balance. What's next? With spot trading, it's simple. Open the market, pick an asset, for example Bitcoin, hit buy. You're now the owner of the coin. But the real money is made in futures. Here you can profit both from market growth, long, and from market decline, short, using leverage. BINGX offers perpetual USDT M contracts, Coin M contracts, and standard futures. How to open a trade? In the top menu, select Futures. Choose the contract type and trading pair, for example Bitcoin USDT. Set your leverage. BINGX allows anywhere from 1 to 100. Decide trade direction. Long, if you expect growth, or short, if you expect decline. Pick order type, market, at current price, limit, at your chosen price, or stop. Enter the trade amount, set stop loss and take profit levels. Click Open Position. All active trades instantly appear at the bottom of the terminal. From there you can monitor your profit and loss, adjust stops, or close positions, partially or fully. Golden rules. Always use an isolated margin. Don't go above 3 to 5 leverage when starting out. Always set a stop loss. Without stops, the market will drain your deposit quickly. If these terms sound complicated, that's absolutely fine. This is exactly why we created our trading chat. There we don't just drop dry signals, we explain the logic behind every trade, why we enter the market, where we place the stop, and how we analyze the situation. Join us to learn by practice and start thinking like a professional. The link is below the video. The main feature of BINGX, copy trading. If you're not ready to trade on your own yet, BINGX offers the best solution on the market. You can literally hire a professional and for free. How to connect to copy trading? In the top menu, select copy trading. A list of traders will appear, each with detailed stats. ROI, profitability, risk level, number of followers, active trades, trading history. Pick a trader whose style suits you and click subscribe. Enter the amount you want to allocate for copying. Confirm the connection. From that moment, all of the traders' positions will automatically mirror on your account, proportional to the funds you've allocated. If the trader opens or closes a position, the same happens for you. Risk management. BINGX provides flexible tools to control risk. You can set maximum trade amount, loss limit, number of simultaneous open positions, automatic stop of copying once your limit is reached. At any time, you can stop copying, close individual trades, or disable the strategy entirely. The trader earns you money and in return takes a small percentage of your profit. This motivates them to trade carefully and maintain consistent results, making copy trading on BINGX one of the most popular options in the market, fair and profitable for everyone. Automation, trading bots. Another tool for those who value their time, bots. BINGX offers several formats of automated trading. Spot grid, buys low and sells high, leveraging market volatility. Futures grid, similar grid strategy, but on futures with leverage. Martingale bot, a DCA, or bot increases trade size during corrections to exit faster once the price rebounds. AI bots, strategies with parameters automatically optimized for current market conditions. How to launch a bot. Hover over the assets icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down, select Bot Account, click Create and choose the bot type, Spot Grid, Futures Grid, Martingale or AI strategy. Select a trading pair, for example, Bitcoin, USDT. Configure parameters manually, price range, number of levels, volume, leverage if Futures Grid, or simply choose AI Recommended to let the system optimize settings automatically. Enter the amount you want to allocate to the bot, click Create. Once launched, the bot works automatically. Buying during dips, selling during rallies, sticking to its strategy 24/7, and locking in profits without your involvement. You can stop the bot anytime, adjust parameters, withdraw part of your profit, and view full performance stats. Passive income, the wealth section. And for those who prefer the deposit and forget approach, BINGX has the wealth section. What's inside? Earn, the most straightforward and reliable products. Flexible term, withdraw funds anytime. Fixed term, higher yield, a great option to deposit and collect interest. Shark Fin, a protected product with boosted returns. If the price stays within range, maximum profit. If not, your capital is protected. Dual investment, enhanced yield for those who want to profit from price swings. Payout may be in one of two assets, depending on the market. Loans, borrow liquidity against your crypto collateral without selling your coins. How to use it? Go to Wealth, choose a product, select the coin, enter the amount, done. Interest accrues automatically, and you can track everything under Assets next Wealth account. Wealth is the perfect option for anyone who wants stable passive income without sitting in front of charts all day. If you heard a lot of unfamiliar terms out, that's fine. Jump into our Telegram channel. It's designed to help you get comfortable without fluff, hype, or fake promises. Most importantly, we keep it raw, unfiltered, and without the soon-to-the-moon nonsense. The link is in the description. BINGX mobile app. BINGX also offers a clean, intuitive mobile app that mirrors the full functionality of the web version. Through it, you can register, fund your account, trade, launch bots, use P2P copy trading, and the wealth section all in one interface. The app runs fast and stable, doesn't lag when opening trades, and supports the full futures functionality. All actions sync instantly with the web version, so you can easily switch between your computer and your phone. Security on BINGX. BINGX is one of the most reliable exchanges in its segment. The platform has been operating since 2018 and has never experienced major hacks. Key security elements, size. Cold storage of assets. Most funds are kept in offline wallets. Proof of reserves. The exchange confirms that all user balances are backed 100%. Two-factor authentication protection for all critical actions, login, withdrawals, and settings changes. Operation alerts, notifications for logins, transactions, and security updates. Withdrawal protection, mandatory two-factor authentication confirmation before any transaction. Thanks to this architecture, BINGX ensures a high level of account and fund security, comparable to leading global exchanges. Bonuses and referral program. BINGX actively rewards new users. If you register through a partner link, you can receive bonuses. The amount depends on your deposit, trading volume, and participation in specific promotions. To claim bonuses, register via partner link, fund your account, and meet the welcome program requirements. Use the bonuses directly in trading. BINGX also has its own referral program. In your account dashboard, open Invite Friends, copy your link, and share it. When invited users start trading, you'll earn a percentage of their fees. The exchange also runs temporary promotions and giveaways, so there's always a chance to earn extra rewards. Let's sum it up. BINGX is the ideal exchange for those who value privacy, convenience, and want to profit from innovative tools like bots and copy trading without spending years studying charts. So, what should you do right now? Go to the link in the description and register to activate the best starting conditions. Set up your account security. Join our Telegram channel and trading chat to access knowledge, support, and our safe exchange service. And of course, hit like on this video and subscribe so you don't miss new breakdowns. All useful links are below the video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.